Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can download and install Zoom app on your computer. To do that, go to Google and search for Zoom download. Then here you can see the first link that says zoom.us and it says download. You can click here, or you can also click on the second link that says download Zoom for Windows. Here you will land on download center page. I will leave the link to this page in description below, so you can come to this page directly by following the link. And here you can see there are different options. 64-bit is used mostly. If your operating system is 32-bit, then you can download it. I am going to download 64-bit, and then your download will start. Okay, once the installer is downloaded, you can open the folder or directly open the setup. Let's open folder. You can also locate your download directory. In my case, I am here, and let's open it by double clicking. And here you can see that Zoom workspace, and it is going to initiate the installation. It will ask you for permission. You can click on yes. And then here you can see that installation is complete, and after some time you will see this pop-up for Zoom workspace. It is loading, and here you see Zoom has been installed on your computer successfully. So I am already logged in. In your case, it will ask you to log in first, so you can log in with your account if you already have. If not, then you can use it without account, but it is recommended to log in with your account. So if you don't have an account, then you can create and then log in. Okay, so this is how you can download and install Zoom on your computer. In this video, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, then you will have a notification.